It's Deckover Day. Now you're probably wondering, why am I going to sleep with a hat on, fully dressed? Question is, why isn't everybody? It's Deckover Day. We went ahead and we already cleaned the deck. We're gonna go ahead and start to do the screwing down now. All these screws got to get retightened. We had to let it dry out and so forth. Sorry I didn't have any, I lost the footage on the deck cleaning it, but this here, it's more of the Deckover stuff, and we'll show you that here in just a sec. But we're gonna go ahead and take a look. This is what it looks like, and that's why I haven't capped those yet. Yeah, we'll go ahead and do the one side first, let it dry, and then we'll do the other side. That way we'll see how it goes. Okay, let's get it done. Okay, sometimes you're going to find screws that are going to be broken, or they snapped off inside there so you can't hardly get them out. So you just need to find a screwdriver just to kind of be able to put pressure on it and bring them out until it kind of catches some of the thread if anything's left. As you can see here, not much. I have another one here I'll go ahead and take care of, and you know, just get this out. And you want to go ahead and replace them with new ones to hold the deck down, of course. So we just grabbed a few and just go through and do this on all the screws. If you have any that are broken, pull them, because they will pop up under your Deckover. What we got to do next is now we're going to have to hand paint all the screw holes, all the bigger gaps and so forth to make it work right. Now we're using this Deckover Cedar color. In case you need that, there's that. What you need to do is go down to the dollar store, the actual dollar store in your area, and buy a crap load of these brushes, because you're not going to save a brush doing this. You're not going to save a roller doing this. Once you use it, it's done. So just go down and buy the cheap ones. You don't need anything else. Okay, let's go ahead and fill some holes. Okay, what we're doing here is we're going ahead and we're filling in the big gaps in the nail holes. Just kind of give it a you want to fill these in. And then it'll lay down. I found going across it seems to help with the big gaps that you can see here, because it kind of strains your brush off. Okay, we got the first coat on. It looks okay. I'm not real thrilled, but I guess you have to wait until you get second coat on, and then you'll see a lot of a difference. But we went ahead and rolled it, and we're going to go back and do all the screw holes to make it come out to kind of like over here. Okay, we ended up doing and filling in the gaps as much as possible, and as many of the big cracks and all the actual screw holes. So it is looking better, and we'll find out exactly how well it's going to look after we put the second coat on. So we're going to go ahead and wait here for a couple hours, and then we're going to go ahead and put on the next coat, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, well, we got this side done as far as I'm going to get it done, and to be honest with you, I'm not that happy with it. You know, it's supposed to cover everything up to like a 1/8 inch gap. Okay, it didn't do that. Let's take a look and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Guys, hi buddy. As you can see, okay, well, it did okay, but not what I would say it advertised to do. So in my opinion, on something that you don't want to rip up and redo, this might not be a bad option for you. Just remember to order 2 times as much as it says to use. But yeah, I mean, this is it's fine for what it is, but it should turn out okay once we get everything done. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this, and hopefully it gave you a little insight of what it is. Maybe I'm using it wrong. Maybe you can give me suggestions. I'd appreciate it. Put it in the comments. But yeah, I'm not for the price of this stuff, I'm not really that thrilled. So, but hopefully you enjoyed me doing this, and hopefully it'll help you out if you want to do it, and maybe next time we'll just build a whole new deck. Thanks again. I'll see you on the next one.